I'm pulling from history here, but the words that we human beings have created over the years, there's kind of archetypal patterns that keep appearing and reappearing in different forms over and over and over again. So this was inscribed in the forecourt of the Temple of Apollo at Delphi, according to Greek writer Pausanias, and I'm not even sure I'm pronouncing his name right, but know yourself. So who are you? Uh, who are you and who am I? And who are the other people with whom you are interacting?
Mhm.
Because each one of us is unique.